Welcome back to the Dirty Shop. I was getting ready to sell my chicken coop and I thought it might be neat to show it to you guys. Unfortunately, I didn't do a build on this on video because this was before I started putting things on YouTube and that sort of game. I've had this for a couple of years. I moved, I didn't need it anymore, so I decided to sell this off. But basically this coop is built entirely out of electrical conduit, the 1/2 inch size, and some wires, you know, bolts, screws, and that sort of thing. And the siding is all the plastic corrugated siding. Picked it all up at Lowe's or Home Depot, something like that, for about $100 to build this whole coop. And there's some really cool features that I built into it that I thought somebody might be interested in if you wanted to build something like this of your own. So first of all, the whole thing is mobile. You can roll it around to put it in different spots in your yard. So obviously that could be a really handy feature if you don't always want to have your chicken coop in the same spot all the time, especially for like an urban yard or a smaller property like that, where you want to be able to move it around and keep the chickens from pooping in the same spot all the time. The bottom of the coop has screen all the way across it so that the animals can't get in. It's totally sealable at night to keep the chickens safe. And then whenever the chickens roost in there and they poop at night, it falls through the bottom and you can roll the coop out of the way to clean up underneath it, which is really nice. I'll show you how the other features work here on the sides. Got a nice access door for the chickens to be able to get in and out, which is obviously sealable and lockable, just a couple pins. You can see in there's some screen. On the back side here, this is lockable. It opens up so that you can access into the nest boxes. So for an inside view here, you can see there's venting on both sides to keep it cool and keep the airflow in. And then these nest boxes, I've got a couple different designs here. These ones just sit in here like this. And this one is obviously just a recycle bin with a hole in the side. It goes right there. Just slap a board on top of that to kind of keep it sealed up so the chickens feel comfortable. I think this side, this type worked a little bit better. But I just thought you guys might enjoy that project there. The whole thing is put together with electrical conduit. And you can see how the joints go together here. And if you watched my video on how to drill holes in conduit, then you'll know how I did that. Thanks for watching.